Hello everybody, today's video comes from 25882 Orchard Lake Road. This is Civic Center Office Plaza in Farmington Hills, Michigan. With Otis Lexan. So notice, look at this, it's under level. Yeah, not very level. Let's go down to lower, here we go. Classic levels, very nice. Oh, look at this. Keypad lock. Always love those. All right, let's go up to the second floor. Class of leveling. There's the lobby up here. Nice little sitting area too. Okay, now we'll go back down. Let's get a cab view. It's a nice photos all there. Too bad the indicator's all burnt out. Let's go back to 2 one more time. What I like about this elevator is how fast and reliable it is. It's a good elevator. There it goes, that will be it.